Let's face it, budgeting sucks. It feels restrictive, like a constant financial diet. You're tracking every penny, feeling guilty about that latte, and stressing about staying within limits. There's a better way, reverse budgeting. It's about flipping the script on traditional budgeting and prioritizing what truly matters, your goals. Imagine this. You're automatically saving for your dream vacation, effortlessly investing in your future, and still enjoying life guilt-free. That's the power of reverse budgeting. Ready to ditch the budgeting stress and start living your rich life? Let's dive in. Reverse budgeting is simple. You prioritize saving and investing, tackling monthly expenses. It's about paying yourself first. Think of it like this. Every time you get paid, a portion goes directly towards your goals. Retirement, travel, a down payment, whatever fuels your fire. This automatic saving system ensures you're consistently building wealth, no matter what life throws your way. It takes the guesswork out of saving and makes it a non-negotiable part of your financial flow. Ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building a future you're excited about? Reverse budgeting is your secret weapon. Traditional budgeting often feels like deprivation. You track every expense, cut back on small joys, and feel guilty when you overspend. It's a constant battle between what you should do and what you want to do. Reverse budgeting is about empowerment. You focus on your goals first. It's about automatically investing in your future and then enjoying the remaining income guilt-free. With reverse budgeting, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. You're not constantly worried about overspending because you've already taken care of your financial priorities. It's time to ditch the restrictive mindset of traditional budgeting and embrace the freedom and flexibility of reverse budgeting. Reverse budgeting in action, a step-by-step guide. Ready to get started? Here's how to implement reverse budgeting. First, what are your big financial dreams? A down payment? Early retirement? Write them down and get specific. Next, how much can you realistically save each month? Aim for at least 15%, but adjust based on your income and goals. Then, set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings accounts each payday. This makes saving effortless. After that, now, observe your spending habits. Are there areas to adjust? Remember, you're not restricting, you're optimizing. Finally, enjoy the remaining income guilt-free. You've already prioritized your future, so indulge in experiences and things that bring you joy. Remember, reverse budgeting is about finding a balance between saving for your future and enjoying the present moment. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. Making it work for you. Real-life examples. Let's see how reverse budgeting works for different individuals and families. For Sarah, a freelance writer, automates 20% of each paycheck towards her dream of buying a small apartment. She manages her remaining income consciously, enjoying occasional dinners out and weekend getaways. For John and David, a married couple, prioritize saving for early retirement and travel. They automate 30% of their combined income toward these goals and live comfortably on the rest. For Maria, a single mother, automates 10% of her income towards her child's college fund and another 5% towards her emergency fund. She's building a secure future for her family, one step at a time. Reverse budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about customizing your savings and spending plan based on your unique circumstances and aspirations. Take control of your money. You've got this. Reverse budgeting is more than just a financial strategy. It's a mindset shift. It's about taking control of your money and aligning your spending with your values and dreams. It's about ditching the guilt and stress of traditional budgeting and embracing a more positive and empowering approach to personal finance. Remember, you deserve to live a rich life, a life filled with experiences, joy, and financial security. Reverse budgeting is your roadmap to get there. Start today. Set your goals, automate your savings, and watch as you effortlessly move closer to your dreams. You've got this.